Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Marvel unboxing. I have the Iron Man, I have the Thor, I have the Black Panther, and I have the Deadpool. I didn't get the Spider-Man as of yet. Only reason I didn't get the Spider-Man is because it was out of stock and I didn't feel like waiting for it. That's it. That's all. Alright? But I will get it soon. So let's unbox some Marvelous Silver. Get it? Marvelous. But thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
I will be the light that shines.
Wait, you thought this was a Marvel video? Huh, you're in for a surprise. Alright guys, so check out ublife.com so you guys can get your very own Urban Lifestyle shirt. That's ublife.com. Check that out, alright? But let's go to the unboxing. Let's throw this over there. Alright, so let's go straight into this. Question of the day. Do you guys like the Marvel series? I'm not saying would you guys buy them. Do you guys like the Marvel series? All right, comment down below, let me know. You guys know I wouldn't buy it if I don't like it. But I did a video a while back talking about, hey, I'm gonna get these coins, and I got some mixed reviews. I got some people, I was asking, should I do it? And a lot of people was like, no, you shouldn't.
Oh my gosh, you didn't. What? Man, what am I gonna do with you? The premiums are way too high on it. You wasted your money. And for what? A Marvel series? Come on, why would you do that for? You stupid. Come on, unsubscribe. Let me unsubscribe right now. Oh my gosh.
It's a waste of money. The premiums are too high. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna hopefully answer some of y'all questions or some of y'all thoughts on that. I did listen to every last word, everybody said. But I have some of my thoughts on there, and I'm gonna let you guys know why I made the purchase. I think this is the highest premium items that I ever purchased, and I should use the knife, because this is not working. It seems like the knife's not working either. My knife is just dull. Yeah, okay. After I didn't use every last bit of energy. Oh. Oh man, what do I have here? What is all this? Oh man, this is a very awesome surprise. I have no idea, like, what is this? Like, they gave me extra stuff. That is beautiful, guys. Look at this. Have you guys ever received this from Amex? Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Is that real gold in there? I'm pretty sure it's not, but hey, I'm gonna read up. But I've never seen anything like this. This is my new favorite pen here. So beautiful. Never seen anything like it. Oh man. So they gave me this and something to write notes on. Right here. Some sticky notes pad. Awesome. They gave me this little sponge thing. Have no idea what it is. Let's open it and find out. Dude, to be honest with you, I thought it was gold at first. I was like, nah. They wouldn't give me this much gold for free. Oh my gosh, I love Amex. But it's not. You guys can see it's like some foam rubber thing that I'm gonna keep here. I think this is false advertisement, guys. False advertising. It says 999.9 fine gold, which we clearly see is not. But so everything extra, I got this, and this. And to be honest with you, I'm surprised myself. I didn't know I was gonna get extra stuff. Look at this, guys. Who doesn't like free stuff? And you guys told me this probably takes care of the premiums that I paid. I paid a lot of premiums, but this probably takes care of it. I don't know. Let me see if they wrote anything special on here or anything. Let me see. Let's open this up. I paid $101, and everything else from that $24 one down is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is awesome. I like it so far. So far, I like it. I got me a pen, a sticky notepad, and an Amex fake gold thingy thing here. I guess a stress ball wannabe. So let's get all these open, and I love the fact that they come in their own capsule right there. So we'll take that one out. That's the Thor right there. And then we'll take this one out. Why am I doing that? Like, this one has its own stuff, but I already cut it open. We have the Iron Man right there. We have Deadpool right here. And last but not least, we have the Black Panther. So let's go for my favorite superhero right now, which would have to be Black Panther. Black Panther, this is my favorite one. You guys see that right there. So the design on the back, or should I say the front, is gonna remain the same for all 4 coins right here. Now I gotta get me a Spider-Man one. Beautiful right there, and we see Black Panther. I never freeze. Looks like he's freezing now. He's just standing still right there in that one position, but it looks so cool. Marvel Black Panther. You guys see the design is awesome. Like, the details on there is very beautiful. Never mind, I'm not even gonna show the front again. Next up, we have Deadpool. Right there, you guys pretty much know this. If you guys watch Clever Coin, you know how his Deadpool looks. But it's beautiful, same thing. You see the Marvel logo right there, copyright. I wonder if they have a deal with Marvel, like, you know, with bullion dealers or something. But you guys can see the Deadpool logo all the way in the background. Right there, if you pay attention, like, look to his background, you see it right there. Next up, we have Iron Man. Right there, you see the targets behind him. I love the details on these are beautiful. And then we have Thor, the Thunder God, with his hammer in hand, Mjolnir. Okay, which I feel like he should have went at Thanos at the head. Why? Like, just because he wanted bragging rights, like, I got you. I told you I was gonna kill you. But you should have gone for the head, like, seriously. He just wanted to brag at that point. But that's how the movies wanted it, so they can go for a part 2. But beautiful coins. Now, back to the controversy surrounding these coins right here. So I made the video talking about, hey, should I do it? And a lot of people was like, no. I mean, like, probably I'll say out of 100% of the people who commented on that video, I'll say a good 70% said don't do it. And honestly, it all stemmed from the same reason. The premiums are too high. I purchased, like, let's go through all the coins. So I think the cheapest coin on here was indeed the Deadpool series, I guess because it's new. But every other coin cost me, well, the Deadpool and, let me see, the Thor cost me $24. The rest cost me $26. Now, I can say, yeah, they factored in the capsule, but the capsule's like, what, 70 cents? Come on. But anyways, silver is at 14 at the time. Silver was at 14. So I paid a real hefty premium on these. But I'm gonna let you guys know why. The reason I purchased these is because one simple reason. I like it. I like it. It's the same reason that I'll go spend 60 bucks on Call of Duty and I only played it like, what, 10 times my whole life. Well, my whole life of having a PlayStation 4. Only played it 10 times. So I paid 60 bucks for something I'm only gonna use 10 times. And I never seen it again. It's the same reason I like them, and it still holds value. It's not the Call of Duty. So the Call of Duty, if I go sell it back at GameStop, I'll get what? A good $1, $2 for it. I don't really play games, I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys play games. But right here, these holds value to it, all right? I'm not saying it's the best thing to do with your money if you have it, but these are beautiful. This is something that catches my eye. See, here's the type of stacker I am. I'm gonna be buying stuff that I'm gonna be selling maybe in the near future if silver does go up. I'm gonna be buying stuff that I may sell. Okay, but I also want a stack that I can hold just for me. This is practically my eye candy stack. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that I have all these pictures, quality pictures that you guys can see on Instagram. So find me on there. That's Urban Lifestyle 1989. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and have a wonderful day.
That's why